I'm going to show you how to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. So in our question it says find the reciprocal of 2 1/3. The first thing you need to do is change that mixed number into an improper fraction, okay, a top-heavy fraction. So when you do that, the denominator always stays the same, so the denominator is still 3. And to find the numerator, you take this number here, you multiply it by the denominator, and then you add the numerator, okay? So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay, so now we have written our mixed number as an improper fraction. So to find the reciprocal, what you have to do is take your fraction and flip it upside down. Okay, so the numerator becomes the denominator and vice versa, and so the final answer is 3/7. If you can simplify the fraction, always simplify. This one we can't, so I'm going to leave it like that.